From this point on, you shall service me.
What's up?
Hey guys, it's Kevin. What's up?
Hi everybody!
Hi, Dr. Nick!
How you doing? Welcome back. I just want to say that I'm waiting now for the KTG hats to be manufactured, to be finished, and I just tried to ask for an ETA from McGill, so we'll find out soon, very soon, and get a rough idea of when those things will be ready. But there's a lot of people who haven't really finished their second payment, so if you want to cap off the second payment, it's probably a good idea to do it very soon. That way, when they do tell me the hats are ready for shipping, there won't be an additional delay because of that. So if you're able to, it's $137.50 to quadrogong@gmail.com. Okay, you PayPal it, and if you have your shipping address on your PayPal, that's always the best, because if anything goes wrong and I can't find somebody's address or information, I'm going to go straight to PayPal. So if you do have that on your PayPal, great. If you're a person who's not paying via PayPal, you one or two people had to pay me with Zelle. Just include that in the notes to your shipping address. That's about it. We prefer that you use PayPal if you can, so all the information is in the same place. If you can't, there are one or two people who just couldn't. So yes, you do it through Zelle, and you should still have all that information, guys. So thanks very much. Try to take care of that ASAP, and I'll get you guys more information so you know exactly when the KTG hats are almost ready, when they're ready, when they're shipping out. And for international clients, there'll be a little fee for you guys, shipping fee, but it's not going to kill you. It'll be reasonable, and I'll keep you posted. Okay, so Happy New Year, everybody. Thanks for all the support, and thanks for joining the Facebook group. And if you want to be part of designing the next run of KTG Custom hats, our hat company, you can help actually design it, be part of that designing process, and then buy the hat and wear your dream hat, So just join the Facebook group, Hats and Guitars Show Your Hats. It's called Hats and Guitars Show Your Hats. So find that. Once you join Facebook, just put it in the search, Hats and Guitars, join our Facebook group, and you'll be able to see everything that's going on with the design process. Thanks, guys, and if you can take care of that ASAP, this week, today, tomorrow, as soon as you can, it will definitely help us, if we can have our bills paid on time. That was a bad one, I know. It was cringy.